Hello everybody, today I'd like to tell you 5 things you must know about Tokyo DisneySea in January 2024. Here in this video, I will give you a detailed information about January, so if you are planning to go to DisneySea, let's watch it. What is this video for? Are you planning to go to Tokyo DisneySea in January 2024? I will give you the latest park information, which is very important to know before you go. If you don't watch it, you will see something very difficult at the park. So I want you to know it, and I hope you enjoy the park. So here's today's contents. What's hot in January? Park tickets, crowd congestion, new merchandise, temporary closure of rides. So first, what's hot in January? So here's the schedule for January from 1st to 8th. That will be a New Year's event. And from 9th, the Minnie's Wonderland merchandise will be selling. 15th, Duffy Friends new event starting. 18th, the release day for new merchandise. 23rd, this one's also the release day for the new merchandise. Here's especially for Tokyo Disney Resort 40th anniversary grand finale souvenir will be coming. On the 30th, closing time will be 7 p.m. So here's a detail of the information. First, New Year's greeting. Mickey Mouse and his Disney friends greet guests aboard the barge to celebrate the beginning of a new year. Duration about 10 minutes. I actually went to see this 2 years ago. It's kind of different to this year, but it was very fun. So it's quite Japanese things. It's like a New Year's Japanese songs with the Disney friends coming and dancing, which is, very unique and fun moments. So please enjoy it. Location is Mediterranean Harbor. The schedule will be 10:45 a.m. and 1:15 p.m. It will be finished at 8th, so please watch it until then. Next, let's celebrate with color. Here's a location, Mediterranean Harbor. Duration about 10 minutes. This is a must watch, accompanied by the Tokyo Disney Resort 40th anniversary theme song. Mickey Mouse and his friends appear in colorful outfits to celebrate this special year, together with the guest cast members. So I hope you enjoy this. Actually, this is a map of the Mediterranean Harbor. It's very easy if you go into the park, and this is the center of the park. So you can see the big sea. It's a Mediterranean Harbor. Schedule for January 2 to 8. 11:45 a.m. 2:15 p.m. 9 to 31st. 11:30 a.m. 2:05 p.m. 4:05 p.m. So if you'd like to watch it, please wait it before 30 minutes, and you can get a fast line and you can watch it very clearly. Next, Believes the Sea of Dreams. This is the show of the very spectacular show of the night at night. This is the schedule for January. It will be until 8th. The show will be started at 7:15 p.m. From 9th, it will be stopped. So if you'd really like to watch it, please go there until 8th. Next, the Big Band Beat at Special Treat. Here's the schedule for January. It's different up to the day you go. So normally it's like 5 show will be going, and although 8th would be 2 shows, 9th, 31st only 4 shows. So please be careful about it. And if you'd like to watch it, please do the entry request. And if you get a reserved seat, you can watch it and enjoy it. Next, Jamboree Mickey Let's Dance is a schedule for January. This one's also different up to the day you go. There's how many shows going on is different. And it's like, 2 to 25, 27, 28 to 31st. That will be 5 shows. And 26, 28 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shows. Sky Full of Colors. This one's fireworks. Is a schedule for January 22 to 29, 31st, This will be started at 8:30 and at 30 that will be rest. So if you'd like to watch it, please go there without 30th. 2. Park tickets. So if you're planning to go to the park, you need to reserve the tickets beforehand. And here's the park tickets available. So if you will see it, most of all tickets you can buy it, but sometimes it will be all sold out. So please buy it. I recommend to buy it before 1 week or 2 weeks. So here's the ticket price. Actually, the ticket price will be different up to the day you go. And for example, like Monday to Friday, normally that will be 7,900. On the Saturday, that will be 9,900. On the Sunday, it will be 9,400. So if you really like to, go with a cheap price, I recommend to go there with weekdays. The ticket price is kind of similar with crowd congestion. So if the ticket price is cheap, the crowd congestion would be weak, and if you go there at the Saturday, that would be very crowded. So please be careful it. Number 3, crowd congestion. Here's how I predicted about crowd congestion from 8th to 30th. I think the Monday would be a bit crowded, since most of all Japanese are, days off from Saturday to Sunday, but sometimes they will get off on Monday, so like 3 consecutive days. So the Monday would be, kind of crowded, I guess. But Tuesday to Friday, that'll be okay. You can have a good time. Even though 9 and the 23rd would be the day for the new merchandise, so that would be very crowded, I guess. On the Saturday is kind of not so good, very crowded, and Sunday is the 2nd, I guess. So if you really like to enjoy it without crowd congestion, I recommend to get there at Tuesday to Friday. Maybe Thursday would be the best, I guess. Please consider about it. Number 4, Priority Pass. So what is Priority Pass? This service available free of charge. You must do it if you'd like to enjoy rides. This allows guests to select eligible experiences and enter the venue at a specified time and enjoy the selected experience with a reduced wait time. Please use the Tokyo Disney Resort app for this service. So I will tell you about what time the Priority Pass will be out. So here's the attractions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rides. You can use Priority Pass. First, Raging Spirits. This attraction's Priority Pass will be out at weekdays will be 11:30, weekends 11. Indiana Jones 11 for weekdays and 10:30 for weekends. Nemo and Friends Sea Rider would be 1 p.m. at weekdays, 12:30 for weekends. Turtle Talk will be 12 p.m. for weekdays and 11:30 for weekends. 20,000 League Under the Sea, it will be 12 p.m. weekdays, 11:30 for weekends. The Magic Lamp Theater is now temporary closure. So the most popular attraction would be Indiana Jones, and the next Raging Spirits, and the next Turtle Talk, and the 20,000 League Under the Sea. So I recommend you to get Indiana Jones first or Raging Spirits. But if you get using single rider, you don't need it. But if you go there with friends, you must get Indiana Jones or Raging Spirits. Actually, these attractions are very crowded, maybe 100 minutes or more. Waiting time will be always, so please get it. Here is the room for another Priority Pass. Guests can obtain 40th anniversary Priority Pass for another experience 120 minutes after obtaining their last 40th anniversary Priority Pass, or after the start time of their last 40th anniversary Priority Pass, whichever is earlier. The good strategy would be getting the Priority Pass, which is very early morning time. If you get Indiana Jones like a 10 a.m. So if the time will be 10 a.m., you can get another one. But if you get 1 p.m. Indiana Jones, if the time at the moment would be 10, you need to wait for 2 hours. So you better get a very early morning times priority pass and then get another one and get another one. So that'd be good strategy, I guess. I got 3 priority passes, which is the best on record. So how many priority pass have you ever get? Please give us a comment. 5. Temporary closure rides. Temporary closure rides for January. Actually, many rides will be stopped. First, Mermaid Lagoon Theatre at the Magic Lamp Theatre, which will be until February 18th. Scartle Scooter will be 9th January to 12th January. Toy Story Mania would be 10th January until 12th April. DisneySea Electric Railway will be 11th January to 11th March. Especially Toy Story Mania is a very popular ride, so this one's you must ride it, I guess, if you get it for the first time. So you should get it before 10th. So temporary closure rides from February. Indiana Jones Adventure, that will be 1st to 15th. Sindbad's Storybook Voyage, 13th February until 24th September. Quite long, right? A Turtle Talk, 22nd April to 23rd April, just 2 days. So if you get to the DisneySea, you must check the temporary closure attractions and then do the plan which attraction you're gonna get. So that's all for today's video. Just thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful time at DisneySea. Please subscribe my channel as well, and please follow my TikTok and Instagram. I'm doing very hard. So that's it for today's video. So let's see in another video. And if you'd like to know another things about DisneySea or Japan trip, please give me a comment and I will give you making a video with this YouTube channel. So see you next time. Bye bye.